Here are 10 videos for beginners learning French as Arabic speakers. Video 1. Introduction to French pronunciation. 1. Introduce the French alphabet and basic pronunciation rules. 2. Practice pronouncing French vowels and consonants. Video 2. Basic greetings and introductions. 1. Learn how to greet others and introduce yourself in French. 2. Practice common French phrases for meeting and greeting people. Video 3. French numbers. 1. Learn how to count from 1 to 100 in French. 2. Practice counting and using numbers in basic phrases. Video 4. French days and months. 1. Learn the names of the days of the week and months in French. 2. Practice using them in sentences. Video 5. French verbs. 1. Introduction to French verbs and the present tense. 2. Practice conjugating common French verbs. Video 6. French adjectives. 1. Learn about French adjectives and how to use them. 2. Practice using adjectives to describe nouns. Video 7. French pronouns. 1. Learn about French pronouns and how to use them. 2. Practice using pronouns in basic sentences. Video 8. French prepositions. 1. Learn about French prepositions and how to use them. 2. Practice using prepositions in basic phrases. Video 9. French vocabulary. 1. Learn basic French vocabulary for common objects and actions. 2. Practice using vocabulary words in sentences. Video 10. French conversation practice. 1. Practice having simple conversations in French with prompts and common phrases. 2. Review the important grammar and vocabulary covered in previous videos.